Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind.
Hey Trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming to you all with this passion twist tutorial, and pretty much this is my client's hair. She booked me off of Style Seat, but I also have my own booking website that you can book me on. I will leave everything down in the description below if you live in Houston, Texas. Also, I'm just starting out by kind of going off and parting her hair into those boxes, and I do like a brick lay method so that it could look fuller. I definitely use the Lulu tress, and she wanted like a highlight type of vibe, so I only use one strand per braid. And pretty much I start off by braiding in the Lulu tress hair due to the fact that it's very slippery. So you want to make sure that this style lasts a very long time, or at least a month or two. And I'll start off braiding it, and then eventually I'll go down and then I'll begin to twist the braid. But while you're twisting, you have to twist while you're twisting so that it can hold. And pretty much it really doesn't matter how the twist comes out, because that's what makes it the name passion. So every twist has its own unique style, and pretty much I will be doing this process all throughout her hair. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I love you, Trendsetters. I hope you continue watching the video to see the final results, and I'll talk to you soon. Love you.
The world's cold, I know, and your heart's no different. Who you want don't want you, and who you miss don't miss you. You know, your tears are falling, you can't feel them. You want peace but can't feel it. You got it, you can't do it. You need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. We need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. Okay, now wait up. It's time to get your heart together and stop playing. You know the truth, you know the world, you know we love you like unconditional. You know you die, you know we had that spiritual. We see you drowning with the tides on your soul. You know we love you. We love you. If we love you, then corrections on the way there. In Jesus' name, them strong codes, I ain't staying with you. Oh my mama, let your brother fall down, the light of dishonor. The blood on your hands when you don't say nothing. If you love him, then you gotta say something. Say something. We need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. We need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. Yes, you Yahweh. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you Yahweh. It's Rizzo. No more broken hearts, no more. No more broken. No more broken. No more broken.
All right, turn around. Pull it to the back. Yep. Go with it. Turn back around to the front. Let the people know how you feel about this hairstyle.
It's the best.
It's the best, period. She wanted them passion twists, and she got the passion for y'all, period.
Shawty giving that stuff. Shawty giving that stuff, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours.